Hey, it's Abhi here. You're looking at the snapshot of a campaign that I run earlier this year. It got less than 500 views and it made more than $2,500. So that's basically more than $5 per view with this one particular video. Now, usually I would take you inside the studio, inside the YouTube studio and show you the video itself, but I can't. Why? Because I deleted that video. And I deleted it because that product stopped delivering value and it simply stopped working really. And unlike other marketers, other gurus, let's say, they leave the link on the YouTube channel even if the product turns to shit. But I don't exactly want to do that. I take pride in, promoting honest products, good products. And when this one stopped working, I simply deleted it. But the money was real. So let me just go to this affiliate dashboard here and show you exactly how much I made. So this was a campaign that I created on March, as you can see, March 12th, right? So I will go to custom here and I will select March here. So let me go from 12th and let me just go to 26 because why not? So if I click on the search bar icon here, it will filter out the results and you will see I have actually made more than $2,800 and I've said $2,500 here because that's what this particular video made me. I have uploaded a couple videos more and overall I actually made even more than $2,800 if I go even further, if I show you even further, which will be more than $3,000. Right? But this one particular video has made me about $2,500. Now, I'm not going to show you what exactly that product was, and we are not focusing the product. The product wasn't really good, but the money that it generated was real, right? I got paid, and this wasn't luck. Right? My video was not viral. This was a specific engine at work. And even though the video is not available anymore, I will show you the exact system that helped me generate it. And I will teach you everything step by step in here. And I think this is one of the most valuable video that I'm going to put out. So yeah, let's break it down. So this is one person here. And let's call him the browser guy. The browser. Okay, I hope that's fine. And another person here is a buyer. Look, the reason most of you guys who are not making money online is that you are targeting this type of traffic here that I call the browser type of traffic. And these people are searching on the internet for how to make money. Best side hustles 2025. That's what they are searching for on YouTube. But buyer, on the other hand, is searching for a specific product, right? He's searching for a product review. Is this product is a scam or not? These people have their credit cards in their hands. They are ready to buy, but they are on YouTube searching for this just to get that final push, just to get that extra push in order to make a purchase. So when you get in front of this buyer, you do not need 5,000 views. You just need 50 views on your video to actually make sales and commissions. So let me explain what exactly the strategy is here. Okay, now if you have watched my previous video, you already know about this, but I'm going to go a little bit in depth here. So the name of the strategy is launch jacking. Look, here is the secret, right? Every single day, there is a new software that launches. There is a new product, new course that launches. And when these new softwares, new products launch, there is a hype, right, around that product, around the product launch from 24 to 48 hours. This is where it at peak. And in this time frame on YouTube, right, there is barely any videos out there, barely any review videos out there about that product. And if there are any, they are mostly trash. And why do I say trash? Well, most video viewers, right, most uploaders, most reviewers, what they do is they simply get the demo video from the JV page, from the affiliates page of the new software launch, and they simply upload it and they pretend that they are reviewing and they give them some trash incentives to buy from them. Right? And this is the profit gap, right, that I talk about. This is the gap that you will be capitalizing on. This is the gap that I capitalized on in order to make this money here. Okay, listen to me closely here. So if you're not aware where to find these products, there is a calendar website called muncheye.com, and this is what that website looks like. And you can see there is a list of softwares and products and courses launching every single day. Now pay close attention to me here, okay? This is where 90% of beginners fail. They come here, they pick a random product and then promote it. Please do not do that. Most of the stuff that you see on here is trash. So if you promote junk from here, your audience will hate you and you will end up deleting videos just like me. So what you need is a filter, right? I look for these vendors who have good history with good software launches or good product launches, low refund rates, and I reject about 95% of what you see here on this list, right? I only promote if it passes my anti-fluff test, right? I have set of criterias that I have before I choose a product to promote. And they are, it should solve a real problem. Number two, it should be good vendor with good reputation, with good ratings. And number three, its funnel should be high value, right? It should not be a random funnel. Like if they sell a product related to Facebook, the funnel should not be about YouTube. It should be related to Facebook and increase the value somehow. That is a congruent funnel, that is a high value funnel and a very high possibility of converting high and making you upsell commissions as well. Now, if we go back to here, let's say I picked a product, right? I do not go and simply, spam the affiliate links everywhere. What I do is, let me just make a space here. So once I pick a product, I don't just spam, right? People tend to go to Facebook groups here, people go to YouTube comments and just spam their affiliate links. That will not work. What you need is you need a bridge, right? A bridge between the offer that you're going to promote and the buyers, right? You need this bridge to connect each. And that bridge is your video, that is your review video, and that is your review page. This is a page where you will host your video and you will list out your bonuses. This is actually the magic. When that buyer traffic comes to my page, comes to my video, goes to my page, I give them a set of bonuses. Like if you buy through my link, I will give you X, I will give you Y, I will give you Z bonuses to help you get better results. And if those bonuses are genuinely good, they are going to buy from you because they are already on the fence to buy that offer. And once they see your bonuses, right, you will push them over the edge and they will buy using the credit card in their hand and you will make affiliate commissions, right? It gives them a logical reason to buy from you. Now look, the strategy in itself is very simple, and that is one, find the product. Number two is record the review. And number three is offer them irresistible bonuses. And that will act like the incentive for them to take action and buy from you. And everyone knows this. A lot of affiliate marketers who heard of launch hacking knows this, but the execution is the problem, right? They simply don't know how to make this work, even though they know the steps here, right? They have these questions like, how do I know? How do I know which product is the winner? What do I say in the video? And where do I get these bonuses to give them? Look, I personally spent few years, like 2+ years, banging my head figuring this out, right? And I have spent a lot of my time being an affiliate and I struggled a lot. Wow. And I struggled a lot, never made a commission for 6 months straight, and I still kept at it. I ran after the shiny stuff, but eventually I got tired of, right? I got tired, I got sad, I have no idea what's going to work. So I put my head down, I simply picked a platform that is YouTube. Like I started doing Facebook, right? Or I started Instagram, I started TikTok, right? All this stuff. But YouTube actually gave me results, and still I ran after these, these distraction, these new shiny stuff, and I was holding myself back. So I just focused on one platform. I found a strategy that worked. I learned about it. I learned how to do this properly, effectively, scientifically, strategically, and get results, right? Get results, that is affiliate commissions on a regular basis. So after that, what I did was I created a system for myself, and then I recorded this system called ACE. I call it ACE, that is affiliate commission engine. And by the way, it includes all the anti-fluff filter that I talked about, how to find the offers, you get my help and all this stuff. And this launch hacking thing that I talked about, right? ACE is mostly evergreen stuff, right? This teaches you how to go long term with affiliate marketing, picking one platform. And the platform that I teach inside is YouTube. And let me tell you, this is unsexy, right? It is boring, but it is predictable, right? And I wanted that. I don't want those sexy stuff anymore, right? I don't want to make 100K tomorrow. I just want to make $10, $100 tomorrow, right? I just want to start somewhere. I just want a steady income that will give me confidence, right? Even if I didn't make $1,000, but if I have steady income that is making $300 per month, let's say, like 95%, let's say 97, 99% of affiliates who are in this business is not even making $10 a day. That is $300 per month. But once you make that $300 month, then you will be easily go to $500 per month, then to $1,000 per month. That is the normal ascension. That should be your goal. Don't try to change your life in one shot. It will not work. Don't go after shiny stuff. The boring stuff, right? The boring stuff, the unsexy stuff, that's the answer. But yeah, anyway, the whole process that I explained of finding an offer, creating the video, this whole launch jacking thing is inside another course called Buyer Wave Method that I sold separately for $27 and then for $47. But I know a lot of you struggle with consistent traffic, struggle with consistent sales. So I decided to include this buyer wave method inside my A's. And if you want, I can actually show you what exactly that you get. So this is the affiliate commission engine, and you will see you will get these 9 modules, right? Welcome, the overview, the customer avatar. This is important. People don't know who they are selling to. They just think that whoever wants to make money online is in the make money online niche and you will be able to sell them. No, when I narrowed down my exact customer avatar, the people who I want to work with, who I want to sell to, making sales become easier, and that's what you should do as well. All right, then you need to pick your core offer, the main offer in the first entry point on your funnel. Then I simplify the funnel. I give you the done for you funnel, then the search spot strategy. These are all the YouTube strategies, and this you get whole buyer wave method here, right? The whole launch jacking, the intro, and you can just keep browsing down and you will be able to watch every single thing and you are ready to take action actually. So this is what you get, right? This is what you get inside Ace, and I simplified it. This is made by an affiliate. I'm not a serial vendor or anything, and this is there to stay. You get my support in the Facebook community. So yeah, that's enough pitching, I guess. So if you want that unsexy, that boring, right, that predictable, system, the predictable system, then the link is in the description. I'm very excited to work with you, and it costs less than a dinner out, and it is massively underpriced right now, but it creates an asset that pays over and over and over again. So if you're finally tired of those shiny stuff, running after quick money, and instead you want to put down your focus on one thing and work on it for next 2-3 months and actually see that income stream growing, then this is for you. So again, if you're ready, the link for the Ace will be in the description. If you want the BW alone, that will be in the description as well. And yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.